Did you know that with just a few common kitchen ingredients, you can create a natural fertilizer that helps Anthuriums recover faster? This method helps the plant grow more new leaves, develop strong roots, and produce beautiful, long-lasting blooms. Many people care for their Anthuriums regularly, yet the plants still grow slowly, struggle to bloom, or weaken over time. That's not because you're doing something wrong, but because the plant isn't being fed the right way. In today's video, I'll share a very simple and easy-to-follow care method you can do at home. This method helps Anthuriums absorb nutrients more effectively and grow stronger from roots to leaves. Before starting any care steps, I always take time to carefully check the Anthurium to understand its current condition. When observing the base, I noticed many young leaves crowded together and trapped, unable to grow properly because of limited light and space. In addition, some leaves have dry edges and corners, making the plant look less attractive and less vigorous. These trapped and dried leaves no longer benefit the plant and can reduce airflow at the base while trapping excess moisture. If left too long, this creates favorable conditions for fungal diseases to develop from decaying leaf tissue. Therefore, at this step, I gently remove the dry leaves and trapped leaves at the base to help the plant breathe better and receive more light. Removing unnecessary parts at the right time helps the plant focus nutrients on healthy leaves, roots, and new shoots. This is a simple but very important step that helps reduce fungal problems and significantly improves the overall health and appearance of the Anthurium. With just a few simple and proper actions, you can make a big difference before moving on to the next care steps. Next, I use garlic to care for my Anthurium, a familiar, natural ingredient with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. For this step, I use 3 garlic cloves, keeping the skins on and chopping them finely to release the natural compounds more effectively. Once chopped, the nutrients in garlic dissolve more easily, allowing the plant to absorb them more effectively during care. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from. I'm very happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below so I can know and connect with you. It's wonderful that we can meet, connect, and share our love for plants with each other from all around the world. Then, I place all the chopped garlic into a clean jar, ready for the next step. Next, I add 3 tablespoons of rice together with the chopped garlic, providing extra natural nutrients and supporting better extraction. Then, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well so the garlic and rice are fully mixed. The hot water helps activate and release the natural nutrients found in the garlic and rice more effectively. Finally, I let the mixture soak for about 1 hour, creating a gentle, safe solution ready for Anthurium care. After soaking the garlic and rice mixture for about 1 hour, I move on to an important step, straining out the residue. I gently strain the solution to remove all remaining garlic and rice grains, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. This straining process makes the solution cleaner and gentler, with no strong odor and safe for plant use. At the same time, it helps prevent clogging when watering or spraying the solution on Anthuriums. After straining the solution, I add 4 vitamin B1 tablets and stir until fully dissolved. Vitamin B1 helps stimulate new root growth, supports faster recovery, and improves nutrient absorption. As a result, the Anthurium becomes healthier and more stable during growth. Next, I add 1000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution. Diluting the solution makes it gentler, allowing the Anthurium to absorb nutrients more easily and preventing root shock. As a result, we obtain a natural nutrient solution that is safe yet rich in nutrients, perfect for Anthurium care. This solution helps the plant grow more steadily and stay healthier throughout its growth. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted garlic, rice, and vitamin B1 solution. Then gently wipe the entire leaf surface of the Anthurium, including both the top and underside. Wiping the leaves not only cleans off dust but also provides many important benefits, especially for indoor plants. Garlic has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping reduce bacteria and fungal growth on the leaf surface. Rice contains B vitamins, starch, and natural enzymes that, when mixed with water, support beneficial microorganisms and form a natural protective layer on the leaves. Vitamin B1 helps stimulate metabolism, supports faster leaf recovery, and improves nutrient absorption. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution removes dust and bacteria, keeping the leaves well ventilated and improving gas exchange and photosynthesis. With better light absorption, the leaves become darker green, smoother, and healthier, while reducing yellowing or dry edges. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed in many other languages such as English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language in the video settings to choose the one that suits you best. This is a simple yet highly effective method, especially suitable for Anthuriums, helping the plant stay healthy from leaves to roots and ready for the next care steps. Step 2. I pour the prepared garlic, rice, and vitamin B1 solution into a spray bottle. Adjust it to a fine mist and spray evenly over the entire Anthurium, including the top and underside of the leaves, the stem, and the root area. Spraying the solution evenly allows nutrients to be distributed evenly, helping the plant absorb them more effectively and grow healthier. When sprayed as a fine mist, the nutrients can directly reach both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where most stomata are located. Garlic provides mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. Rice supplies B vitamins and natural enzymes. And vitamin B1 helps stimulate metabolism and improve nutrient absorption. As a result, the Anthurium produces new leaves faster, develops thicker and stronger petioles, and maintains evenly spread leaves with a deep green, glossy appearance. Additionally, spraying the solution on the stem and base helps activate beneficial microorganisms, supporting nutrient conversion and strengthening the plant's natural resistance. Step 3. Water the garlic, rice, and vitamin B1 solution onto the growing medium. After wiping the leaves and spraying nutrients, I use the remaining solution to water the entire growing medium of the Anthurium. Watering slowly and evenly around the base to avoid waterlogging. This solution nourishes the root system from within. Garlic helps reduce fungi and bacteria in the soil. Rice provides B vitamins and gentle energy. And vitamin B1 stimulates new root growth and improves nutrient absorption. After watering, I soak the plant in the solution for about 10 minutes. Then gently lift it out and place it in diffused light to help the plant stabilize and recover. Step 4. After soaking the growing medium in the garlic, rice, and vitamin B1 solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the Anthurium out and allow it to stabilize. Next, I use a soft, clean, dry cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, including both the top and underside of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove any remaining moisture after spraying and soaking, especially around leaf joints and veins. If moisture remains for too long, it can cause leaf rot, mold, and bacterial growth, especially in indoor plants. When the leaves are dried properly, the plant becomes more ventilated, allowing better gas exchange and more efficient photosynthesis. This step also prevents condensation from forming white spots on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and attractive. This is a small but very important step that helps keep the Anthurium healthy, reduces disease risk, and maintains long-lasting beauty. After completing the care routine, you'll see that with just a few simple kitchen ingredients and a little daily patience, Anthuriums can recover, grow strong, and gradually enter a stable blooming stage. If you're new to growing Anthuriums, don't worry. If your plant doesn't look perfect right away, gentle, consistent care will reward you over time with glossy leaves, strong roots, and vibrant blooms. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe too. Join me in exploring more natural and effective Anthurium care tips.